I'm sure you've heard the news. Machines are taking over. But how exactly? Meet CNC Programming. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, and it's the magic behind turning metal blocks into precision parts. Imagine telling a super smart robot exactly what to do. That's CNC programming. Engineers create a digital blueprint of the part they need. Then they write a program that tells the machine where to cut, drill, and shape. Once the program is ready, it's loaded into the CNC machine. The machine uses tools like drills, lathes, and mills to carve out the part from a chunk of metal. And guess what? It does this with hair-splitting accuracy. CNC programming is used in everything from car engines to aerospace components. It's like giving metal a makeover, but with lasers and high-tech gadgets. So next time you see a shiny new gadget, remember it probably started as a boring metal block and got its groove thanks to CNC programming. Stay curious and keep exploring.